In this video, I'll show you how you can show people what game you're playing on Discord. Now first what you want to do is come down to the user settings, scroll down until you find activity settings, and from in here go to activity privacy. Now you want to make sure this is on, share your detected activities with others, so turn this on, and then when it's turned on, it basically lets people detect your game. Then you want to go to registered games, and you want to make sure that the game you're playing is registered. Now I have League of Legends open, so it will show there. If you cannot see it, you can simply press edit right here, and you'll be able to select it from all of the things you have opened on your PC. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. If you want to hide it, you can simply press on the hide right here, and then it's going to be hidden. So that's how you can do it on Discord, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.